In previous videos, we have learned to stack and unstack the innermost row or column level, to choose which level to move using its number or name, and to rearrange a level by changing the stacking and unstacking processes. But rearranging one level at a time has limitations. So, we'll learn now how to swap levels and how to stack and unstack multiple levels at the same time. The swap level method can switch the order of two levels within the same axis. This means that we can swap the order of two row levels or two column levels. Let's work with the following stack data frame containing data about cars. We apply the swap level method, passing the index 0 and 2. In the output, we can see how the first and third row levels are now interchanged. We can now change it with the unstacking process. We can see that the row level containing the price and sold features was moved to the column index. If we haven't changed the order of the levels, the unstacked level would have been the brand level. In the following example, we first unstack the last row index level. Then swap the first and second column levels. We do this by setting the axis parameter to 1. We can see how the year appears on top of the brand level. Finally, we can also stack the column index of cars. Then, call the swap level method, passing 0 and 2 as arguments. In the output, we can see how the recently stacked level and the original first level are switched. The data frame here has multi-level indexes on the rows and on the columns. So, how do we reshape any of these multiple levels at the same time? Let's work again with the cars data frame. It has a multi-index on the rows. In particular, it has 3 levels. Unstacking several levels at the same time is easy. We just have to pass a list of the index numbers to the level parameter. In the output, we see that the first and second row levels are now on the column index. The resulting data frame has 3 levels on the row indexes. We could also use the level names by passing a list of brand and model levels to unstack. As a result, we get the same data frame as before. Let's take this last data frame. We use the same syntax to stack several levels. We could pass a list of index numbers or their respective names. In both cases, we get a resulting data frame where the year and brand levels are now in the row indexes. It is important to notice that the order in which you pass the names matters. In the example, we pass year and then brand, so the innermost level will be the brand level. Now you can start rearranging multiple levels at the same time.